Ever dreamed of owning a home, driving your dream car, or simply getting approved for that credit card with the awesome rewards? But then reality hits. You realize your credit score is, well, not exactly where you want it to be. Sound familiar? If it does, you are not alone. Millions of people are in the same boat. But what if I told you there's a tool that can help you steer your financial ship in the right direction? That tool is called a credit builder. Today, we're diving deep into how Koho's Credit Builder works. Let's break it down. What is credit, really? It's like a financial report card, a summary of how well you've handled money in the past. Lenders use it to decide if you're trustworthy enough to borrow money. But here's the kicker: if you don't have a credit history, it's like having an empty report card. No grades, no story. That's where credit builders come to the rescue. So, how does Koho's Credit Builder work its magic? Essentially, it's a two-step process. First, you set aside a specific amount of money each month. Think of it as saving up for a rainy day, but with a twist. Instead of sitting idle in your savings account, this money is held in a locked account. This is important because it shows lenders you're capable of saving and sticking to a financial plan. The second step is where the credit building magic happens. Each month, Koho reports your on-time payments to Equifax, one of the major credit bureaus. This creates a positive credit history, showing lenders that you're reliable with your finances. It's like building a solid foundation for your financial future, one payment at a time. Now, you might be wondering, why would I lock up my money? It's a fair question. The truth is, building credit takes time. By committing to regular payments, you are investing in yourself. It's like planting a seed. With patience and care, it grows into a strong, healthy tree, in this case, a strong credit score. But what about access to your money? Don't worry. At the end of your credit building journey, you get back every penny you've saved, plus any interest earned. It's like a reward for your financial discipline. Let's talk about who can benefit from a credit builder. If you're new to credit, it's a fantastic way to start building a positive history. If your credit score needs a boost, it can help you rebuild. And if you simply want to improve your financial habits, it's a great tool to have in your arsenal. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes consistency and patience. Koho's Credit Builder can be a valuable ally on your journey. But it's essential to use it as part of a broader financial plan. Keep an eye on your spending, create a budget, and pay your bills on time. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy credit building.